So I was thinking, should I get on the vloggy today? And I said, myself said, I said, let's get on the vlog. Happy Saturday. Ooh, girl, my voice is the done. Like, I work with kids and all I do is scream all day, like, and it's just going. I need some tea, I need some honey. Let me turn this down because it is Harry Potter weekend on Sci-Fi. It's not on Freeform anymore and it's not on HBO. Harry Potter has moved to Sci-Fi, and this is the channel that my TV will be on all weekend because I'm a geek and I love Harry Potter for real. Like, it's not for play over here. It's not. I don't do this for fun. I don't do this for jokes. Like, we for real over here. Um, so yeah, let me stop, y'all. I'm talking crazy because I am so high right now. Like, oh my god. Yes, I do participate in the cannabis. But what's up with y'all? I know y'all ain't see me like in this form of video in a while. Like, for real. So yeah, I'm about to go out with my best friend. We're about to go to the movies to go see The Purge. Like, yeah, we want to see some scary shit. So I saw the first two Purges like on TV, and then the last one that came out, I went to the movies with my little god sister, whatever. So I'm hyped to see this one, see what it's all about, whatever. But yeah, I just came on to talk to y'all a little bit before I go out. Look at my nails, like, they busted right now, but the color is so freaking pretty. It's like this periwinkle bluish lavender type color. It's like from like some off nail brand. I don't know what it's called, but it's so pretty. But my fucking cuticles, bitch, are fucked up. Like, when I got my nails done, y'all know I'm always talking about my nails in my vlogs for some reason. But when I got my nails done, the girl did all this extra shit to my cuticles that I didn't ask her to do. So I'm thinking like, alright, my shit's gonna be set, they gonna be popping, like my cuticles ain't gonna peel. Bitch, the next day my fucking cuticles, focus, was peeling like OD. Like, you see that? That's trifling. Like, and what is about to be 2 weeks on Tuesday, I got my nails done, so I need to get my nails done again. But do y'all like this hairstyle on me? I know this was like the little trend or whatever. The first person I seen with this was Cayenne. She was on Love and Hip Hop New York. She was dating the guy Jock Beast or whatever. Yeah, but I knew her before she was on Love and Hip Hop because I followed her because like she really raps, like sis has bars. But yeah, I seen her with this first. Then I seen what's that girl name? Cash Doll with it. And I was like, that's so cute. But I was like, it probably won't look cute on me. But I saw my best friend. She came to work and had her hair like this. And I was like, bitch, I'm getting that done. But I got it like done like a month and a half after her. So yeah, it's kind of old now. It's about to be 2 weeks old. But it grew on me because when she first did it, I was like, I don't like it. It looks weird, but it really grew on me. I got so many compliments on my hair when I first got this done. Everybody was saying like, "Bitch, that's you. That's it." Like, so I think I'm gonna have braids this whole freaking summer, especially working with kids. Like, nobody has time to be doing it here in the morning because I gotta be to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I gotta be up at 5 to get in the bathroom before my mother. So yeah, I'm tired. Nobody has time to be fussing with hair in the morning at all. So braids it is all summer long. So boom. Yeah, so very gloomy. Oh, lip gloss is popping. This is the lip gloss from Marc Jacobs. Let me show you. This is the lip gloss. I think I had this in one of my favorites videos. Yeah, like, I stopped wearing it for a while, but I was like, let's break out the Marc Jacobs. This is called, Love Buzz. But when I stopped wearing this, I started wearing the Buxom lip gloss. Y'all didn't see this yet, but this is in the color Amanda. It's just like, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's called Amanda. But it's just like an iridescent lip gloss. I'm really into like light lip glosses. Like I don't like lip glosses that give like a lot of color or whatever, like pinks and mauves and stuff like that. I'm more of a like, give me like a gloss with a little bit of shine type of lip gloss person. That's my shit or whatever. And maybe like a little light pink, but other than that, like I don't go all out with lip glosses. I used to be really into lipsticks. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, I really used to be into lipsticks a lot. But now, like, the hassle is just so much, like, with makeup. Like, I've been in, like, a makeup kind of rut because I feel like my skin is up and down. So makeup is not setting up my face the way I wanted it to. Like, it may look like I have makeup on now, but I did a full face before this, and I was like, yeah, I'm about to go out. And me forgetting that, you know, I've been out in the sun and I got a tan. All my makeup is like my winter shades right now. So I put on the makeup and I look in the mirror, bitch, it look like I got a whole fucking mask on. So I just wiped all that shit off, but my brows are still kind of on or whatever. So it may look like I have makeup on, but I kind of just wiped it off because I was over it. But yeah, I just got brows and lip gloss on right now. So yeah, but my skin, like, it's just been stressing me out because I have like really chronic like eczema, and then like you can tell around my mouth, like, you know, it's dark or whatever. And so like it's just a lot dealing with makeup sometimes, and I'm just kind of like over it. I'm more into the natural thing now anyway. Now, like, I'm not really into makeup like I used to be for real, but I'm just, I don't know, I'm not into it. Just give me a good brow, a little lip gloss, you know, maybe a little concealer and some lashes, and I'm out the door. I really want to get lash extensions or something like that, like get my lashes done. My best friend gets her lashes done all the time, so sometime soon I think I'm gonna get my lashes done and start on y'all hoes for real, like more than I'm already doing, you know. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just talking shit right now. Like, this is like my little high rant, like, before I get up out of here. But yeah, I might vlog a little bit later and see what niggas is doing or whatever. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. When Bay call you and you're in trouble because you ain't picking up her calls.
I can't even hold it.
She's just barking on, bro. Calls. Answer sis calls. Let me tell y'all how niggas in Harlem is on my sis today. They on her. Y'all want to see her? Go, nigga. Yo, they on my sis. They on my sis body today. Bye. They on my sis. They want that chocolate pudding pop. Look at sis. Nah. Turn to the side. So they can see. They on my sis today. Superstars. They out in California. Yo. They be out in California and Miami.
In the Bronx.
Now they finally in the Bronx again.